Okay, back to the '03 Ford Explorer. Spent a few hours. Got the engine all back together. This valve cover went pretty smooth. I took more off the front of the area where the valve cover is. There was a heater hose over here. I got that out of the way. I think that was what was giving me the most trouble, taking this valve cover off. It helps when you get stuff out of the way in the front here, because I was fighting this plus in the rear. But basically, I just put it alongside and kind of rolled it in place over that cam in the rear, and it actually went pretty good. So I got everything all back together. I put the belt back on, I put the valve cover back on, I put all this intake, whatever, fuel injection system back together. Some heater hoses back here on the firewall, some hangers, brackets, whatever. All the electrical wiring plugged back in. Only thing I had a problem with this one front cylinder on this driver's side, the spark plug boot. That was earlier during this process. I wanted to make sure all the spark plug wires would pull off if I ever want to change the plugs or whatever, but I cracked the boot trying to get it off, but I put it back on. But I see it's pretty close to the exhaust manifold, so I might get some arcing going on, but I'm gonna just see what happens right now. But also I just put the battery back in. Down to turn the key and see what happens after this minimum 50-hour process. It's definitely a lot of work. If you take it one bolt at a time, it seems to go. So I'm going to fire it up and see if it runs. If it doesn't, then it's not going nowhere. Otherwise, I'm going to see if it fires up, and I'm going to back it out of this garage. So here we go. Remove this drop light. I'm just going to put the hood down, because if it starts, I don't want to get it going backwards, because I know there's going to be some smoke coming off the motor from the grease or dirty hands. Either way, I just want to get it outside, let it run for a while, but let's see what happens. I'm going to turn the key and see if I did anything right or I did everything wrong. I'm trying to get in here, it's a little tight. Okay. Why is it still beeping? Okay, shut the radio off. Open the window, let some air in here. Okay, let's see what happens. It started. Going a little rough though. Not bad, but I mean, I can't expect miracles in the first 5 seconds, so. Let's see, get back out, look under the hood. As soon as I open this hood, well, I don't believe it would run at all if I created a problem. See the smoke starting to come off. A lot of smoke in the back because I had a lot of spray lubricant on the exhaust and all that. So it's starting to fly off. Probably should shut the door so it don't all end up in the garage. But I have to say it's quiet. It's definitely quiet. That roughness, I don't know, I'll figure out what that is, but like I said, it hasn't been running for a little while. I don't see any arcing going on with that spark plug wire, but either way, it looks successful. Took care of the problem. I'll work out the minor stuff later. Okay, that's it. It's been a lot of fun. See you, bye.